Good evening, everyone. I'm reporting live with the latest update on today's top story. I am Joy Samuel. Here are the headlines for today. Trump's media Bitcoin treasury registration declared effective by SEC. China urged to shape global stablecoin rules amid sovereignty concern. Trump discloses $57 million crypto windfall from World Liberty Financial. Elon Musk to buy $50 billion in XRP. How to use Grok for real-time crypto trading signal. Crypto ownership isn't just Lambo or Bros anymore. Welcome once again. Trump Media's Bitcoin treasury registration declared effective by SEC. The SEC's approval comes just weeks after Trump Media confirmed its capital raise to purchase Bitcoin. Trump Media and Technology Group (TMTG), which is the company that owns President Donald Trump's Truth Social platform and is partially owned by the president, has received approval from the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) for its registration statement tied to $2.3 billion Bitcoin treasury deal. According to a June 13 SEC filing, the agency declared effective the TMTG's S3 registration statement filed on June 6 for the Bitcoin treasury deal. The X3 is a form that U.S. companies use to register the sale of various securities like stocks, options, and different types of debt. TMG filed a corresponding final prospectus with the SEC on the same day. The SEC filing said that as part of its Bitcoin treasury plan, TMTG registered the resale of approximately 56 million shares and 29 million tied to convertible notes as part of debt and equity agreements with around 50 investors, which yield $2.3 billion. Although the registration statement includes a universal shelf to give TMTG greater flexibility for future growth plan, the company currently has no immediate plans to issue any security under it. On the same day, TMTG stock price fell to 2.06%, closing the trading at $19.52 according to Google Finance data. It comes only weeks after the company confirmed a $2.5 billion capital raise to purchase Bitcoin on May 27 after denying earlier reports of the deal. At that time, news said that TMTG views Bitcoin as an epic instrument of financial freedom, and now Trump Media will hold cryptocurrency as a crucial part of our assets. China urged to shape global stablecoin rules amid sovereignty concern. Chinese academics are warning that the growth of stablecoin is a rising threat to China's momentary sovereignty by ensuring the global dominance of the US dollar. A commentary in China Economic Times argues that the rise of crypto comes with implications of sovereign credit system, global governance models, and the future of money. China Economic Times is a daily newspaper sponsored by the Development Research Center of the State Council, which is one of the country's highest-ranking policy research bodies. Government officials are part of the paper's main reader base, and commentary published by the paper often aim to influence or advise on economic strategy. The author, Ding Jun, who is the Vice Dean at the University of International Business and Economy, and Zhang Shushu, who is Associate Professor at Beijing Technology and Business University, describe stablecoins like USDT and USDC as a digital dollar shadow system. Backed by US cash or equivalent, their global expansion enhanced dollar liquidity and influence. They argue that if left unchecked, greenback-pegged stablecoin would erode China's financial autonomy and deepen worldwide reliance on the dollar. But the author also called stablecoin a double-edged sword. In the event of mass redemptions, issuers could be forced to liquidate large volumes of short-term US debt. For example, Tether, the issuer of USDT, held more than $120 billion in US Treasury bill at the end of first quarter of 2025. The piece adds that in countries with weak currency and volatile exchange rates, crypto is increasingly substituting for local money. The commentary outlines a broader geopolitical strategy for China that includes internationalizing its own fiat currency by using blockchain infrastructure to launch low-cost and localized digital yuan services in developing markets. This is at least the second time in recent weeks that a major state-affiliated think tank in China has spotted crypto. In late May, the International Monetary Institute republished a report by the Bitcoin Policy Institute that advocates for Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Drop discloses $57 million crypto windfall from World Liberty Financial. Drop discloses $57.4 million in income tied to World Liberty Financial, a DeFi project that has raised above $550 million from investors. US President Donald Trump has disclosed $5.4 million in income from his involvement with World Liberty Financial, a cryptocurrency ventures he backed alongside his sons Donald Jr. and Eric. The details emerge in Trump's 2025 public financial disclosure filed with the US Office of Government Ethics on June 13. The filing reveals that Trump holds 15.75 billion governance token in World Liberty Financial, which also grants him voting rights. While the document does not elaborate on the precise structure or market value of the governance tokens, the substantial reported income suggests that Trump has monetized some portion of the position, or that the tokens were valued for disclosure at a high internal rate. The filing simply states the income as $57,437,927 without detailing whether the gain was realized through token sales, stocking reward, or other mechanism. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Do you want to make money from crypto without investing any money at all? Yes, you heard me right. Without any single funds. Are you between the age of 15 to 25 years, right? And you know how to use a phone very well with an internet connection, right? I'm Crypto Talker by name, and I'll teach you how to make money from crypto for free without any funds. All you have to do is test some sites for free, and they'll pay you for testing the sites when they launch their token. Use free faucets. We call them free faucets. You get free faucets. Use it to test their site for them, right? And they mark your wallet address, an address that tested their sites when they were in the testing phase, and they'll reward you their tokens when they launch, right? Now, I'm teaching you how to do all this for free in my community. All you have to do is click anywhere around this video. Then once you click the link, you're going to see a follow button by the top right. Click on that follow button, right? And you're already in the channel. Now, I'll also put the link to a support group inside that channel so that you can ask your question. Because inside this channel, you can't ask questions. Inside the support group, you're able to ask questions. I'll be there to answer your questions. Some of my admins will also be there to answer your questions with video guides. All right? Thousands of people are already making money from cryptocurrencies for free. Like my student Eze, here is his testimonial. Ebuka, my student, here is his testimonial. And Aisha, these are some of my students that have made money from cryptocurrencies without any fund. Now click the link below or anywhere around this video to join the Crypto Talker channel right now. This channel is open just for 24 hours for free. After that time, you'll be able to use the link you're seeing right now to join the channel again. I'll see you on this side. This is Crypto Talker here. Peace out.
Welcome back. Elon Musk to buy $50 billion of XRP. Social media was set on fire this week with claim that Elon Musk is planning to buy 50 billion worth of XRP, which is Ripple's native cryptocurrency. The rumor, which originated from an ex-user named CryptoJig, also claimed that Musk expects XRP to reach an eye-popping value of $600.37 per coin. CryptoJig's viral post reads that Elon Musk offered to buy XRP for $50 billion, which quickly gained traction among crypto enthusiasts, particularly with the XRP army. However, fact-checking has debunked the claim. Perplexity AI responded, "Hey there, that claim about Elon Musk offering to buy XRP for $50 billion doesn't appear to be true," the AI assistant added. Fact-checking sources have confirmed this is a false rumor with no official announcements coming from Elon Musk, Ripple or X. According to the speculation, CryptoJig also alleged that Musk briefly posted, "XRP is looking quite promising," before deleting the message just 20 seconds later. He further claimed that Musk is working on a global payment deal with Ripple, but despite the buzz, no screenshots or archived copy of the alleged tweet was surfaced. Even CryptoJig failed to provide evidence. This has led many to believe the post may have never existed. While there is plenty of speculation, Musk has never officially endorsed XRP or announced a partnership. Perplexity AI noted he has mostly focused on Dogecoin when discussing crypto. With the XRP community fueling speculation, analysts caution investors to remain skeptical of unverified social media posts. Until Musk or Ripple confirm any involvement, the rumor remains just an unsubstantiated hype. How to use Grok for real-time crypto trading signal. Grok scans posts and sentiment shifts on X to help crypto traders identify early signals, memes, and macro-driven momentum plays. Many retail traders still rely on news alerts, influential posts, or Discord trading groups to stay ahead of the market. While these sources can offer signals, they are often delayed or shaped by social bias. In fast-moving crypto environments, that delay can mean missing the window to act. Grok, the conversational AI developed by Elon Musk, is being explored by some traders as a way to monitor sentiment shifts more efficiently. Unlike traditional tools, Grok has direct access to live X data, enabling it to interpret real-time conversations, track trending token mentions, and detect earlier signs of narrative movement. Some developers are testing Grok in conjunction with other AI tools to surface high-frequency mentions or emotional keywords tied to meme coin and altcoins. One post in a crypto developer forum describes an experimental setup where Grok flagged repeated flocking mentions from verified users shortly before a price move. While this case shows how sentiment passing on X can inform short-term trading decisions, instead of acting as a trading strategy on its own, Grok is being used as a tool to enhance awareness of market mood, especially for assets driven by social engagement than fundamentals. Crypto ownership isn't just Lambo or Bros anymore. The National Cryptocurrency Association 2025 report reveals a surprising normalcy to crypto ownership, spanning construction sites to art studio and challenging long-term stereotypes. Crypto is getting more normal, from the number of people who use it to the type of people who use it, according to a new report. While Bitcoin and crypto news have concentrated on politics and institutions as of late, governmental policies has become more accepting, and traditional finance avenues like ETFs has been the tail that wags the crypto dog. The National Cryptocurrency Association NCA 2025 State of Crypto Report, released in May 2025, reveals that the face of crypto in America is no longer a hoodie-wearing tech bro or suit-clank Wall Street servant. It is a construction worker in Oklahoma, an artist in Chicago, a grandmother in Kansas, and 55 million everyday Americans using crypto to shop, save, and send money home. The Harris Poll conducted the survey, capturing the voice of 10,000 crypto owners from 54,000 surveyed adults. The data reveals a surprisingly broad crypto adoption across age, gender, income, and professional lines, and challenges the idea that crypto ownership is the purview of the blockchain elite. Let's take a look at the people's sentiment reaction onto today's crypto markets, the Fear and Greed Index. As of June 14, 2025, the coin market cap crypto Fear and Greed Index stands at 64, indicating a sentiment of greed in the cryptocurrency market. This suggests that investors are currently more optimistic, which may imply higher valuation and potential caution for constrained investors. That's all for now. We'll continue to bring you more latest updates as more information becomes available. Stay with us for more breaking news, and do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment your thoughts for real-time interaction. Reporting live from Crypto News Hack, I am Joy Samuel. Thanks for watching. Good night.